Okay.
Oh, there's that homestead over there. Those people where they're digging might be what they're doing now.
Uh, so this is the play area, a different one, like I said in the previous clip. Look at all the bugs on top of that water. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. That's mosquitoes. It gives us good reason to get out of this area. I just saw some dump trucks hauling dirt. While driving around here scouting out. Kept seeing these dump trucks going in and out, and this really doesn't lead anywhere. The big main road goes in a circle, basically. So it's like, where are they going? So we might be stumbling upon a construction site of some kind. But they're hauling massive loads of dirt out. Or sand. I'm not sure it's dirt. I don't know how deep those puddles are. Ooh, that sun is intense. They're along the power lines, all in sand or dirt. I'm sure it's sand. Out of here. I think we got coyote track, or dog. It's a solo dog, or a solo coyote. Maybe. Might be two of them. There might be one on this side. That's a raccoon on the right. Let's see what they are doing. Really, I want to try to get on the other side of this. There's a canal right next to us. If we can get on the other side of that, we could end up at what I'm calling Fisherman's Pond. It's a little pond out here, right on the edge of the road, which we could just drive to. But what pond is that? There's no exercise or anything involved if you do that. And you can see where they have the black paper up. They got chat rock right there. It looks like there's mounds of sand. There's a giant backhoe, and I guess I would thought that would have had a bucket on it, but it doesn't. See those headlights down there? We're just on the other side of the power plant. Weird. There's another dump truck coming in. He's coming through. So we could have drove that road the other day. Well, maybe. I don't know. Let's see what we can do here. I'll get back with you in a few minutes. I really don't want to film these people. I'm going to look around here for a minute before we bail on this area. You can just stand there or whatever. I'm just looking. I mean, you're more than happy to come along. Is he loaded or unloaded? He should be loaded. That's somebody's garbage bag, which is good news. Just seeing if there was any trails leading into these woods. I don't think so. But you never know. see. I guess we walk around the corner. I don't think it goes anywhere. Looks like it goes to the left, goes either right out to the road or... Alright, let me see what I can find out about these dump trucks. The highway's right there too, that's why the noise is so loud.